guys, welcome and welcome back. It's your Jamaican friend here. So I'll be reacting to Sohyang Lean on Me. This was suggested by a subscriber, and boy, I'm telling you, this female is just a one of a kind person. So I want to hear what she's about right now. So I'll see you there. Peace. I'm too happy right now to hear this female sing. This was 8 years ago, and she's doing so well here, bro. This is insane, bro. This is insanely insane to hear someone who can pull that note so calmly, so precisely. She was born for this, bro. She was born ready to sing. Let's continue. To be honest, I don't want anybody to come and make a comparison with this female. Absolutely no one. She's incomparable, bro. I think no one in her category should make a comparison with her. She's in a league of her own. I mean, like, how can you put a pit bull dog with a chihuahua? Bro, that's insane. That's insanity. There's no comparison.
Follow me.
Lord. Guys, to be honest, I'm not really good at describing people's singing, but I gotta put my little twist to it. I only react if something is going on amazingly, and I have to have a Georgia moment every time I sit and listen to someone who can pull a note from the bottomless sea to the limitless sky. That's the type of note I love to hear someone who is singing can pull, bro. Bro, Sohyang, bro, she surpasses that, bro. She's extraordinary. Bro, she's doing a remarkable job. Bro, she's incomparable. This is so pure. This is so pure, guys. I'm so amused. It's like a moment of silence, and you're sitting and you can picture something so clear. That's how powerful her voice is. You can sit and you can picture what she's saying keenly, even though she's singing with those notes, bro. Where I gotta say, not even the notebook can contain those notes as how she's doing. I'm sorry, notebook, but you are not here to make a comparison. You are not ready for this. Notebook, you have to go sit somewhere else because she has the notes locked, bro. You know what? I'll see you the next time, guys. I'll see you. Please stay safe.